Brianna.
Hey, Miss Joanne.
What holiday are we celebrating today? Dr. what?
Dr. Seuss.
And what do you see on this
Green
painting?
now.
Who colored that? Who done that?
Me and you did.
Wow, give me a high five. And our word is eggs.
E.
Yeah, our letter is E. Where's the letter E?
E.
Wow, we're going to sing a song, okay?
Okay.
I don't like green eggs and ham. 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 Green eggs and ham. I don't like green eggs and ham. Sam, I am. Oh, this looks good. Yum, yum. Will you eat some green eggs and ham?
Yum, yum.
We tried it and we liked it, didn't we, Brianna? I like green eggs and ham. I like green eggs and ham. I like green eggs and ham.